SBET stock analysis and price predictions for Sharplink stock Monday pre-market. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video till the end. Find out. First thing that I'll tell you is that pre-market is a bit higher, but I don't quite care because this is all over the place. I mean, it's so freaking random. I myself have done well over 45,000 videos over 5 years and 5 years of experience documented. It's taken me tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors to figure this stuff out, right? Which you obviously don't have to spend. I've been burnt, right? So you don't have to. For me, I was saying it depends whether we just break the top above $28 or the bottom below 22 rectangle, and as long as we're in the middle and the price opens inside, I'll just wait. Because this is what's holding the price down currently. You know, I'm not going to immediately start buying if we start breaking this, but it's going to be a decent bullish market and we can start slow. Because in trading, there is two games. There is you get inside the trade game, and then is you manage the trade game that you got in, right? So I'll keep you updated, and I've got a bunch of receipts with SBET in the Discord as well. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce and emails and stock picks, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.